Good morning, Year 1. As usual, we're going to start with our reading. Remember to pause on each screen and then have a go at the questions. Okay, we'll have a go at the phonics.
Hello everyone, I'm Connie Huck. I hope that you're all ready for your letters and sounds phonics lesson today.
Hello children, I'm Alex. Let's start our letters and sounds lesson and learn to read some new words. Let's read some phonemes you already know. I'll show you the graphemes on the card and I want you to read them aloud. Remember, some of these graphemes make more than one sound. Can you remember them? Let's have a look. This one says air. Your turn. Let's check you've got them all right. Read aloud with me. Air. Ear or air? Air. Y or E or I? E or E? I. E. E. Well done! Super sounds. Let's read some words with graphemes we already know. All of these words have got the trigraphs that look like this in them. Let's sort these words. Now we have to work out if the trigraph says air, like in air, bear, or ear, like in ear. I'm going to put them up here. Okay. Have a look at the first word. Can you spot the trigraph? Well done. Here it is. Read the word. Is it air or ear? Read with me. Shh, air, share. Where is it? That's right. It's the air sound, so it goes under the bear. Can you spot the trigraph? That's right. It's here. Is it air or ear? Read it. Read it with me. Beard. Beard. Did you get it? Well done. It's ear, so it goes here, under the ear. Have a look at the next word. Read it. Does it say ear or air? You got it? Read it with me. Air, pear. That's right. Air. So it goes under here, under the bear. Have a look at the next one. Read it. Is it air or ear? Have you got it? Well done. Read it with me. Air, square. That's right. It makes the air sound, so it goes under here, under the bear. Next word. Read it. Does it make the air or the ear sound? Have you got it? Read it with me. Ear. Near. That's right, it makes the ear sound, so it goes under the ear. Next word. Oh, this one's going to be easy for you. Are you ready? Read it with me. Oh, no, read it yourself first. Are you ready? Have you done it? Is it the ear or the air sound? Have you got it? You were quick. I knew you'd be quick with this one. Read it with me. Air, bear. Does it make the air sound or the ear sound? That's right. Of course it makes the air sound. Under here. Under the bear. We already talked about the bear. Let's have a look at this one. Can you read it? Air or ear? Read it with me. Air. Scare. You got it? That's right, it makes the air sound, so it goes under here. Final word. Off you go, read it. Ear or air? Read it with me. Ear. Here. You got that one? That's right, it makes the ear sound, so it goes under the ear. Amazing job, well done. Okay, now I'm going to mix those words up. Now we're going to do a little bit more reading. Can you read them without any help? Off you go. Read them with me. Pear. Scare. Here. Near. Beard. Square. Bear. Share. Brilliant, well done. We know the sound E is written like this. There's another way to write the sound E and it looks like this. Did you remember this one? And we know the sound I is written like this. There is another way to write the sound I. Did you remember it? Oh, it's the same. It can make the sound E or I. Oh. Let's sort these words. Does the grapheme make the E sound or the I sound? Now we're going to play a game. I've got this picture. What is it a picture of? That's right, a fly. I. It's got the I sound at the end. I'm going to put it up here. Have a look at this picture. Happy. E. Oh, it's got the E sound at the end. I'm going to pop this one here. Have a look at this word. Read it. Does it have I or E at the end? Help me put the word in the correct place. Shout out I if you think the word ends with the I sound, like fly, or if it ends with the E sound, like happy. Help me work it out. Is it sp-E or sp-I? Shout it out. That's right, well done. It is spy. You spy something with your eye. This makes the sound I in this word, so I'm popping it here under the picture of the fly. Have a look at this word. Read it. Does it end with I or E? Help me work it out. Is it P, K, E, or is it P, K, I? Yes, that's right. It's perky. We said that puppy was perky. Do you remember? Full of energy and fun. This letter makes the sound E in this word, so I'm going to put it under happy. Well done. Read the word and remember in this word, this says A. Does it end with I or E? Help me work it out. Is it L-A-D-E or is it L-A-D-I? That's right, it's lady. Lady ends with E, so I'm popping it here under the smiley face. Let's do another one. Read the word. What do you think? Does this one end with I or E? Help me work it out. Is it E or I? Well done. It's Y. So Y ends with I, and I'm going to pop it under this one. Have a look at this word. Read it. Does it end with I or E? Help me work it out. Is it T-R-E or T-R-I? I know both of those are real words, but this word is try. Try ends with, that's right, it ends with the I, so it's going under the fly. Have a look at this word. Read it. Does it end with the I or the E sound? Help me work it out. Is it D-R-I or is it D-R-E? That's right, it's dry. Dry. Where does that one go? That's right. It ends with the I sound again, so I'm going to put it under fly. Let's try another one. Have a look at this word. Read it. Does this one end with the I or the E sound? Help me work it out. Is it E or is it I? That's right, it's E, so I'm going to put it under the E words with happy. Have a look at this word, final word. Read the word. Does it end with I or E? Help me work it out. Is it S-A-N-E or is it S-A-N-I? Yes, it's sunny. Sunny ends with E, so I'm popping it under here. Under the smiley face. Great, well done. I'm going to mix the words up now. Off you go, read them aloud. Did you get them all right? Brilliant. Read them with me. Thirsty, dry, try, why, spy, lady, perky, sunny. Incredible! We are on fire today, children. Now, let's read some tricky words you've met before. Have a look at this one. Can you remember the tricky bits? Yes, the tricky bits are here. These two letters say and here. This letter says Can you read the word? Let's read it together. Different. Different. Next word. Have a look at this word. You've seen this one before. Can you remember the tricky bits? That's right, it's here. These letters say or. Read the word. Let's read it together. Thought. Well done. Now let's read some sentences with our new grapheme in them. Can you see any words with a trigraph? There's 3. Can you see them? Here, here and here. These words have the trigraphs air, air and ear. Can you see any other words with digraphs? Well done. A, oo and oo. Now I want you to read aloud as I point to the words. Remember, sound out any words you're not sure of. Excellent reading. Now let's read the sentence together. The bear gave me a scare when it got too near. Imagine! I wonder if it was a real bear or a teddy bear. Next sentence. Can you see any words with a trigraph? Can you see them? That's right. Here, this has the trigraph air. Can you see any words with a digraph? Well done. And and over here. And remember, this letter says E in this word. Can you see our tricky word, thought? That's right. Here it is. Now I want you to read aloud as I point to the words. Remember, sound out any word you're not sure of. Great reading. Are you ready? We were thirsty, so I thought I will share my drink. How kind. It's lovely when people share things with you, isn't it? Let's finish by spelling some words, because if you can read a word, then you can have a go at spelling it. You will need your paper and something to write with. Let's spell 2 words with graphemes we know. Let's spell scare. Segment the sounds with me. Scare. S-k-air. Let's count how many sounds there are. S-k-air. That's 3 sounds. Watch me write scare. Remember, we need 3 sounds. Air. S-k-air. Scare. Have a go. Say the word. Say the sounds. S-k-air. Write them down. You ready? S-k-air. Scare. Did you get it right? Brilliant. Let's spell sunny. Segment the sounds with me. Sunny. E. Let's count how many sounds there are. E. That's 4 sounds. Watch me write sunny. Remember, 4 sounds. S. E. Do you remember that one from our game? E. Sunny. Have a go. Say the word. Say the sounds. Write them down. Did you get it right? Let's have a look. E. Sunny. Did you get that one right? Well done. Now let's practice spelling this tricky word that you have met before. Different. Segment the sounds with me. Different. D-I-F-R-A-N-T. Let's count how many sounds there are. D-I-F-R-A-N-T. That's 7 sounds. Watch me write different. Remember, I need 7 sounds. Do you remember the tricky bits? D. I. F. Easy so far. Then these 2 letters make the R sound. And this letter E makes the sound. Then it's easy. T. Different. Have a go. Say the word. Different. Say the sounds. D-I-F-R-A-N-T. Remember the tricky bits. Are you ready? Different. Did you get it right? Well done. Now let's practice spelling this tricky word that you have met before. Thought. Segment the sounds with me. Thought. Th or t. Let's count how many sounds there are. Thought. Th or t. 3 sounds. Watch me write thought. Remember, I need 3 sounds. Have you remembered the tricky bits? And then O-U-G-H says or. Thought. Are you ready? Have a go. Say the word. Say the sounds. Write it down. Thought. Did you get it right? Well done, brilliant! You've worked so hard practicing your reading and spelling. See you again for another lesson with letters and sounds. Bye!
Well, there you go. I hope you enjoyed your letters and sounds lesson. Well done for all your effort. I hope you enjoyed it. I certainly did. And why don't you share a lovely story tonight with someone in your family? Enjoy your book, enjoy your evening, and have a wonderful day. Good luck.
Okay, as usual, we've got our maths, so we've got a video and then some questions to have a go at.
Today's lesson is on writing time. Often, we talk about how much time does it take. If someone says, it'll just take a second or a few seconds, 1 second is not very long. Actually, you can probably only blink your eyes maybe 2 or 3 times, and a second is over. We can also use the word minutes. In 1 minute, you might be able to write down a sentence, but you certainly would not be able to write down a whole page in 1 minute. And then hours. If someone says, I was there for hours and hours, it means a fairly long time. When we talk about how long did you sleep last night, we would say how many hours you slept. So seconds, very quick, like a blink of an eye. Minutes, yeah, probably writing a sentence. And hours, that's how long you sleep. Now let's talk about how long. We're going to describe some activities and things that you do. And think about, would you describe it in seconds, minutes, or hours? Let's look at one example. To wash your hands, and we've been doing a lot of hand washing lately. Would you say it takes you a few seconds, a few minutes, or a few hours? Well, hopefully you're saying a few minutes to wash your hands properly. How about this one? To watch a film, would it take seconds, minutes, or hours? Yes. To watch a film, it usually takes about 2 hours. And here's one more example. To drink a small glass of water. How long would it take? Seconds? Minutes? Hours? Well, depending on how big the glass is. If it's quite small, just a few seconds. Let's think about a few more examples. Would these take seconds, minutes, or hours? Here's the first one. To brush your teeth. How long would you think it takes? If you said minutes, that's perfect. What about you'd like a bowl of cereal, so you pick up the box and fill up your bowl. How long would that take to fill up a bowl of cereal? Yes, just seconds. And finally, you're going on holiday, taking a plane ride. Would you describe that as taking seconds, minutes, or hours? Yes, quite often it takes hours. But then when you get there, it's a great time. Now I want you to think about what could you do in 4 seconds? Here are some activities. Try them out. The first one is, could you build a castle with Lego blocks? Could you write the numbers 1 to 5? And could you clap 10 times in just 4 seconds? Pause here, have a go at the activities, and then come back and we'll see which ones could you do in 4 seconds. Okay, did you try out the activities? Well, if you did, you would see that we cannot build a castle out of Lego in 4 seconds. But you might be able to write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in 4 seconds. You might also be able to clap your hands 10 times in 4 seconds, if you're fast. And now it's time for you to think about a few more activities. Things that you could do in 5 minutes. And what might be helpful is for someone to set a timer or a clock to have you see how long is 5 minutes. I bet if you sat nice and quiet for 5 minutes, you'd understand how short or how long it is for 5 minutes. So think about this. Could you eat an apple in 5 minutes? Could you take a train ride to the next village or city in 5 minutes? Could you get changed from the clothes you have on into a whole different outfit in 5 minutes? Think about it. Come back, and we'll talk about our answers. Okay, I guess I'm curious. Did anyone try and eat a whole apple? Well, if you did, you would see that you could eat an apple in 5 minutes. How about a train ride? No, it would take longer than 5 minutes. And how about change clothes? Yes. Did you change your clothes? I did. Now let's think about hours. What could you do in 2 hours? Is that how long a school day is? 2 hours? How about a football match? How about taking a flight to go on holiday? What could you do in 2 hours? Pause here, chat with someone else in the house if you can, and then come back and we'll talk about it. Great. So, a school day. Could you do a whole school day in 2 hours? No. A school day is longer than 2 hours. How about play a football match? Yes, absolutely. You could do that for 2 hours. And how about that ride on a plane? Yes, often it takes 2 hours or longer to get to where you need to go. Now here are a couple of questions for you. And there's really no right or wrong answers because it's about you. Would you rather? Think about seconds, minutes, and hours. Would you rather play your favorite game for seconds, minutes, or hours? Would you rather wait for a train for seconds or minutes or hours? And finally, would you rather clean your room for seconds, minutes, or hours? As I say, there's no wrong answer. It's just, what would you rather? Okay, it's time for you to think about Teddy. Because Teddy is having a birthday party. So what I'd like to know is, how long will it take to make the cake? How long will it take to blow out the candles? And how long will it take to eat the cake? Think about seconds, minutes, and hours. Pause here and then come back. Okay. Oh, lucky Teddy. It's his birthday. So, how long will it take to make the cake? Seconds, minutes, or hours? Yes, probably hours. How long will it take Teddy to blow out the candles? Did you say seconds? Yes. And how about to eat a piece of that cake? Exactly. Just minutes. And I have just a few more questions about Teddy's birthday party. How long will it take to decorate the house? To wrap a present? To unwrap a present? And how long will the party last? Pause here and think about seconds, minutes, and hours. Okay, how long do you think it will take to decorate the house? I think it might take hours. Blowing up the balloons, putting up the streamers, cleaning the house. Oh, it's a lot of work. How long would it take to wrap a present? Yeah, probably a few minutes. How long does it take you to unwrap a present? Yes, probably just seconds. And how long does a birthday party last? Exactly. It usually lasts an hour or two. Great job. Oh, and happy birthday, Teddy. And already we're at the end of our lesson. Did it take seconds or minutes or hours? I don't know. It's different for everyone, but I hope it didn't take seconds. Anyway, it's time for you to have a go at your worksheet. If you don't have a White Rose Maths worksheet, it's fine. You can go to the BBC Bite Size website because there's loads of material available there.
Okay, have a go at the math sheets for me and then have a go at marking them as well. And have a go at the writing task. Okay, and that's the end of our video for today.